What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're doing exhaust things today and new edge exhaust things today. One of the biggest complaints I've had about the wife's 2001 GT is the way it sounded. At some point, somebody basically had a set of like turbo mufflers welded into the stock pipe. It does have a BBK Off-Road X pipe, but the turbo mufflers just sound terrible. I've always disliked how it sounded, and Hooker's got a brand new Blackheart catback, stainless, polished mufflers, all that, and I've never heard I couldn't find anywhere on YouTube where someone had installed these on one of these cars. So it's like, let's try it out. They make a good product. So we're going to start out with the before, how it sounds, startup, revving, driving, all of that. We're going to get this catback on, and then we'll compare the before and the after. But before we do that, let's check out that catback. All right, guys, so I've got everything all unboxed. You can see Hooker Blackheart. This is the 2.5. Let me get the bubble wrap off, and you can see these things are very nice. Nice welds, nice thick flanges. Everything is stainless. Here's your tips here. Really like how the tips look. So this is it, guys. Alright guys, so let's kind of take a look at what we've got right now. As you can see, the stock exhaust, and these are like just like a Dyno Max turbo muffler, but yeah, it's just, you know, that's kind of junk exhaust shops do. Tiny little pipe. I don't even think that may be 2 1/4. But yeah, stuff's got to go. That's what's about to happen. All right, guys, busting into the time lapse real quick. This is where we're at. And if you've never installed an X pipe, H pipe, catback, anything, the idea is get everything up there 100% loose, and then start doing the fine art of getting everything centered. And that's gonna look great. But yeah, guys, fit is fantastic. I mean, this thing went together really easily. Everything, you know, it fit great. One of the best fit I've ever done. So Gonna go ahead and start tightening everything up. Main thing, if you've never done this before, again, is you want your tails to be perfectly centered. And they've got adjustable hangers up here so you can get these just right, which is definitely helpful. So now the tedious process of getting everything adjusted begins. Let's finish this job. All right, guys, she's on. Actually, I probably need to adjust that a little more, but this side is perfect. Yeah, I had that one just slightly touching the side of the tank there. But overall, guys, I love it. Looks great, fit great. Now, let's get this thing on the ground, see how she sounds. All right, so we'll look at Fitment. I've got them tucked a little bit. I'll decide later if I like them like that. I don't like them sticking out real far, but I may have gotten my hair in, which I can play with that later. But let's start it up. See what she sounds like. Oh, oh yeah. Let's give her some revs, boys. I freaking love it. All right, now let's get out and drive it a little bit. All right, guys, so that is pretty much going to wrap up this one. Great new Edge mod. These cars really do sound good with exhaust, but heck, that's pretty much any Mustang. I've got a few more little major minor projects I got to do on this thing, but I love the way the car sounds now. Sounds 100% better, and I am probably going to go ahead and put it back on the lift. This tailpipe looks like it's shifted a little bit over. If you look right there, it's kind of inboard a little bit. That one's perfectly centered. I'm not sure how I like them being tucked in. I don't know, guys. Drop me a comment below. You can't really see the sides of them on the new Edge, but that may be tucked in a little too far. I don't know. I didn't want it out too far, you know, the ones where you walk up to your car and bust your ankle all up on the tip. Don't like that, but that may be tucked in a little too much. I mean, it still looks good, but anyway, I'm nitpicking now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Definitely check out Hooker BLACKHEART exhaust. The price is right. The fit and finish is good. It's a quality product, and I love the sound. So, you know, it's one of those I wanted to do something different. Everybody's got Borla, everybody's got SLP or pipes or whatever. I wanted to give this a try, and I'm glad I did. It's good stuff. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we will catch you on the next one.